Hi guys, and welcome to the 7th video in my series about how to know when to buy organizing products and what kinds to buy or not to buy. Click the I in the corner if you missed the intro. In this video, I am featuring hanging sweater organizers. Remember, you want to wait until the 6th step of organizing before you purchase organizing supplies. These organizers have surprising uses throughout your home. The purpose of a hanging sweater organizer is to store sweaters vertically from a closet rod. These are not meant to contain heavy items as they are typically made of cardboard covered in fabric. The cardboard will bend and the fabric will tear if overloaded. The best ways to use a hanging sweater organizer can be to store hats, purses, and accessories, to plan kids or even your outfits for the week, to create a linen closet if you don't have a linen closet, and they are also great for baby clothes as you can throw their tiny little clothes by category into Dollar Tree bins like these. Some unconventional ways to use a hanging sweater organizer. First can be to use it for evening prep for the next day. You can designate a space for each family member, so they won't forget anything they need to bring with them before leaving the house. You can store toss pillows at the top of your linen closet, or even hanging in an unused coat closet. These are perfect if you need to store a variety of lightweight items and if you utilize the top and bottom of your closet for other storage solutions. This can be a great option for unconventional storage solutions in an unused coat closet. First, as always, don't purchase more hanging sweater organizers than you need. Again, you will pare down your items to what you need before you purchase any organizing products in general. This can be a budget-friendly storage option since it is the same as purchasing multiple bins in one. Also, a hanging sweater organizer can replace a dresser if you don't have the space for one, or if you simply don't want to purchase a dresser. As usual, I will have links to affordable versions of hanging sweater organizers on my blog. The direct link to the blog post is below. Don't forget to grab your free organizing resources below so that you can know if the use of hanging sweater organizers will be good solutions for your spaces. I have a lot more organizing products coming up, so be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can know the moment my next video is up and never miss another organizing video. Happy organizing!